Hey guys, so in a world where prices are constantly rising, it's nice to know that there are some beautiful eyeshadows that you can still get that aren't going to break the bank. What I'm about to show you today was $3.98 at Walmart, and it's by Maybelline, so I thought it would be fun to incorporate some other Maybelline products into my look today. So I'm going to show you what I've already applied that is Maybelline. Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Dark Circle Eraser Concealer in shade 110. I have on Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation in shade 112 Natural Ivory. Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in shade number 5 Fair. My contour and bronzer is the Maybelline City Bronzer, and this is shade 100. My blush, actually I turned it into like a blush highlighter, is from the Maybelline Master Blush Palette. What I did was I dipped into the peach and the highlight shade and sort of mixed it together. And the last thing that I have on by Maybelline is actually discontinued, but I know that a lot of you may have picked this up when it was at Dollar Tree. Maybelline discontinued these lip products, and then they showed up at Dollar Tree, and I tried one. I loved it. So then I went back and bought as many colors as I could find at as many Dollar Trees as I could. It is the Maybelline Green Edition Balm Lip Blush, and this one is in the shade Desert. So that's what I have on my lips. So I've already primed my eyes, so let's get started with what I wanted to feature today. This is the Maybelline Single Eyeshadow in the shade Nude Glow. And you know, everybody went crazy over this when it first came out years ago, but I think a lot of people have forgotten about it. Let me show you just how gorgeous this is. Now this is another one of those metallic reflective shadows like I talked about in yesterday's video. So what I am going to do is, someone left a comment in yesterday's video. Hi, Rebecca. And she said that when she sprays her shadows with setting spray, she doesn't just spray her face with setting spray. She puts some eyeshadow on the brush, then sprays the brush with setting spray, and then applies it like that. So I'm going to try that out today. I told her I was going to try out her method. I didn't tell her I was going to do it in a video, but yeah, let's do that. So this brush is just from AOA Studio. It's the E131 brush. So I'm just going to pick up the only problem with this is once I spray this brush, I won't be able to dip it back in, so I'll have to use a different brush for the other eye, which is okay. Fortunately, I do have more than one eyeshadow brush. All right, so we're just going to give this a little spray, and you know, I don't have any control over the flow on that because it's in like an aerosol can type thing. But yeah, let's see how this applies. So this is like a peachy bronze, I would say. Just making sure I smooth that out and didn't miss any areas. But isn't that a beautiful color? And I feel like maybe if you have a deeper skin tone, you could even use this as a highlighter, you know, depending on the depth of the color of your skin. All right, so the next shade I'm going to use, which is also a Maybelline single eyeshadow, is called Made from Mocha. Yeah, so when I bought Nude Glow, I came home and looked at my other Maybelline single eyeshadows and realized that I didn't have the shade of brown that I wanted for the crease, so I went out and bought Made from Mocha. So that's what that looks like. All right, gonna use the blending side of my Urban Decay brush from the Naked palette. Whoa. Yeah, this is the first time I've used this shadow. So I'm gonna start. Wow, oh my God. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to blend all this out. I was not expecting that kind of pigmentation from an eyeshadow that cost less than $4. Whoa. Wow. Oh my God. Yeah, I don't know, guys. Is there such a thing as too much pigmentation? That is incredible. I think I'm gonna need a bigger, fluffier blending brush. Whoa. All right, let me go grab something else. This is a MAC 224 brush. So let's see if I can get this to disperse this. Now, I normally don't like to take it in too far, but because this is so pigmented, okay, this is working, yay. Wow, I cannot get over that. I was not expecting that to be that pigmented. All right, so and I just barely tapped that in there. All right, so that worked. I would like to be able to blend this up though, what's on my lid, a little bit more. Okay, good. Now, what is left on my brush? I'm gonna try to dust it underneath the eye. Connect it to the corner. All right, yes. Now, for a highlight shade, I only have one Maybelline highlight shade in my collection, and that is Seashell. So this is like the palest peach ever. So let's take a clean brush. This is by Moda. And put that as my brow bone highlight and inner corner. Okay, I'm going to shut the camera off, do the other eye, curl my lashes, apply mascara, and come back and show you the finished look. Wish me luck. Okay, so I curled my lashes and applied Maybelline Sky High Mascara, and this is the finished look. And what do you think? I think this could pass for a high-end eyeshadow palette. So 3 eyeshadows for $12, less than $12. So thanks for watching, following, and subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye.